Okay, bye. Yep. Me too. When you switch over to fibre, you'll also need to switch over your landline. And if you've got an alarm in your house, there are a few things you'll need to do ahead of your installation. Want to keep your landline on your new fibre connection? No problem. You'll just need to let your broadband provider know when you first place your order. When we come in and do the install, we may need to do a little bit of internal wiring, so all your jack points work. Or there may be the option of plugging your landline phone into your modem. Either way, we'll make sure your phone is able to make outgoing calls straight away. Incoming calls could take up to 24 hours to start working. This is because your phone provider will need to do a few things at their end. Hello? Wrong number. If you have a home security system or use a medical alarm, here's what you'll need to do. Firstly, when you're placing your order for fibre, let your broadband provider know you've got a monitored home security system or a medical alarm. That way we'll be able to take the right steps to keep them working. You'll also need to get in touch with your alarm company, as while a lot of modern alarms will be fine, some older ones might need an extra bit of hardware. But these can be supplied by your security or alarm company. If you're upgrading your alarm, it's a good idea to get it set up and ready to go before we come in and install fibre. This will make the switch over easier. What happens to your alarm if the power goes out? Very funny, guys. Unfortunately, alarm systems and landlines connected to fibre won't operate if the power is off. So, have a mobile phone handy. If it's essential for your alarm system to always be on, you may want to consider a battery backup for your fibre equipment and modem. Can somebody turn the lights back on now? Think of a fibre connection as a way to future-proof your home technology. And quick, that's the end of this video.